Hey there, Collena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. Now, as singers, we generally talk a lot about increasing our vocal range and really just being able to hit high notes with that ease, freedom, and power. And sometimes I think within that we can neglect to focus on the area of the voice that's really going to help us to do that. That's really going to help us to build power in our voices, which is the bottom end of our voice, chest voice. So today I'm going to be giving you some vocal exercises to really help you build that power in your voice, really help you to develop chest voice. So let's talk about it. Then we'll jump to the exercises. The chest voice is the foundation of our voices. It is the building block for power in our voices, so it's really important as singers that we're really developing it. Not developing chest voice is pretty much like building a house on an unstable, rocky foundation. Eventually, you're gonna get all kind of trouble and problems coming in, leaks and cracks and whatever else. And it's just the same with the voice. We wanna make sure that we're building our voice on a solid foundation, a stable foundation, because then we can really begin to build, and this is ultimately what's going to help us to sing with that freedom and creativity when we really solidify our technique and we really have the foundations of technique in our voices. That's freedom. That is freedom. Ultimately, the bottom end of your voice is what is going to support the top end of your voice, and you can't build power in your voice without it. You can't build power in your voice without really developing chest voice. Even if you're the type of singer that doesn't necessarily want that richness of chest voice in their singing, it's still going to be beneficial for your overall vocal health, the longevity of your voice. It's going to improve the tonal quality of your voice. Just overall, it will balance out your voice, and it's just good. You're going to add more tools to your singing toolbox. So if you ever did, want to go for that richness in your singing, then you can pull that from your toolbox, So overall, it's just going to be beneficial for you too. So without further ado, let's do the exercises. So the first exercise we're going to do is the straw. We're going to keep it really low within chest voice territory. The whole purpose of this is to really engage the bottom end, really engage chest voice whilst we just warm up your voice. Let's do this. The next one we're going to do is the with a vocal fry. Now it's really going to help us to engage chest voice resonance, and that vocal fry is going to help to just keep the voice nice and relaxed and help us to obtain those lower notes within chest voice so that we're not reaching for them. Let's do it. So that is it for developing the bottom end of your voice. Give the exercises a try. Comment below. Let us know how you're getting on with the exercises. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing below. Hit that notification bell and also share these videos. But until next time, amazing people, I will see you soon. Much love and peace out.